Okay, welcome back to part 3, you guys, and this will be the final one. I'm not going to be showing you guys literally how I've done it, but I'm going to show you what I've done now just to basically finish off my little project that I wanted to do. Technically, I've done it so you complete the game. However, there isn't a full-on objective where so you collect all the coins and it ends the game. What I've done is I've just set a like a collider, so it just goes to the end level. But what I've done actually is I have set technically they're called triggers, but at the end of this level, say I've got a little Super Mario tube here, and when my player collides with the tube, it's going to take it to level 2, which I have right here. Nothing special, just created a quick level, some more coins, and also I have an enemy now who follows you and kills you, which is pretty cool. And again, in this one, we've got a little secret sort of exit here, which is called exit. So it's an empty sprite. So when the player hits this sort of area, I'm going to go to the end, which is basically the end. And I've got a little Charizard here, which is a GIF. I don't know how to loop his animations, but it doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do now, I've also added in some spikes that can also kill you. I've added a few more sound effects. So when the ghost kills you, got a little ooh sound. And there's also a smoke effect on the player when he dies. And I think that's it in terms of sound effects. There's a different sound effect when you hit the spikes to when you hit the lava, but you're not going to be able to hit the lava, so that doesn't really matter. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and play the level. Hopefully I can finish it because I am having issues where the ghost actually keeps killing me. So let's just go ahead and see if we can do it. Oh, no. No, I had it. So in fact, I'm going to let the ghost kill me and I'll show you. See the little smoke effect. Let me just stop it right there. You know when it kills me? Just go to the event sheet actually. So I've got it so when the enemy collides with the player, it destroys the player. Plays the hit, like the hurt sound. Creates a smoke object on the player. Plays the ghost sound effect when it kills you, like the ooh sound. After that, it's going to wait 4 seconds to then restart the level. That's pretty cool, right? And then for the enemy, you've got, it's kind of complicated how I did this, but I followed a YouTube tutorial on how to get the enemy to follow the player. But this is the code here, every 0.5 seconds. Basically, we just got an empty sprite, and we've got the enemy to follow it, which the empty sprite also follows the player, if that makes sense. The empty sprite, which is called follower, it's there. I believe we could set a behavior on that called pathfinding. Now, yeah, I only learned this on YouTube, so without that, I wouldn't have been able to do this. So, yeah, when the enemy kills the player, it waits 4 seconds, restarts the game. And also, what I've done actually is if the ghost kills you in level 2, it takes you all the way back to level 1. You don't have to, but if you go to the event sheet for level 2, enemy, so basically the same again, destroys, sound, wait 4 seconds, but then system goes to level 2, level 1. And also, yeah, right. Unload where are the resistors. So yeah, I'm gonna play the level and then just explain the the code if I can. Whoops. 2 yet. Oh, I thought I was going to die that. So, are you ready for this? Oh, I'm so rubbish. I can't even play my own game. Right. Oh, man. Okay. Oh. That, I'm actually struggling to play my own level. These platforms to move as well. I'm gonna hit here and it's going to take us to level 3, the end. There we go, the end of the level. We've got the ghost following us again still. I've already said the ghost hides behind the block so you can't see the ghost. But he still chases you. Basically this is the end of the level. Completed. And if the ghost kills you, boom. You do not respawn because that's the end. So basically that is it. Let me just quickly go through the code again. So as level 1 ends, so this is good, on collision with the tube, you're telling it to unload the level 1 audio. Also play the Super Mario Bros. Pipe travel down sound effect. Yeah. Wait 0.5 seconds, then go to level 2. So, yep. Then on level 2, so everything's the same. Then we've got when the enemy kills the player, goes back to level 1. Unload level 2's music, then obviously goes back to level 1, where starts all this code again, plays the level 1 music. And then play it on collision with exit, which is what we have here, that's exit. Unload level 2's music and then go to end, which is technically level 3 layout. Then yeah, event sheet here is just play final piece of music. We've got the ghost being able to follow us still and kill us. And basically that is it. So our project's pretty much complete. That is all I wanted to do really, and I've managed to do it, and it's really awesome. I am quite chuffed with that. It is so basic, I know, and hopefully I'll be able to create something a little bit more advanced. Maybe have a player that can actually shoot and kill enemies. So we'll do a shooter game next time. Yeah, this is my sort of first time creating a game. Technically it is. But yeah, it's a platformer. Hope you enjoyed the video, you guys. This was super fun to make and just wanted to share it with you guys, really. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. If anybody's got any hints or tips or wants to help me out with, I don't know, making my next game shooter level, or can let me know how to maybe even improve this level. I mean, this is just very basic, like I said. I'm not very good at keeping things in line. Super not organized levels at all, but just wanted to get a basic level in there, an enemy to follow me, collect some coins, change levels, and that's it. Get some sound effects in there, music, and I've done it. So yeah, thanks again, you guys. See you all in the next video. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. And if you are new to the channel, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. And yeah, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. See you on the next one. Bye.